Hey everyone, is Google not working on your Sharp TV, leaving you unable to stream your favorite content or access apps with ease? Don't worry. In this guide, I'm going to walk you through how to fix Google on Sharp TV, helping you to regain access to your apps and get back to enjoying your content seamlessly. Step 1. Restart your Sharp TV. The first and simplest step to fix Google issues on your Sharp TV is to restart the device. Begin by turning off your TV using the remote control or the power button. After the waiting period, plug your TV back in and power it on. Check if Google services are back up and running. Step 2. Check your internet connection. A stable internet connection is essential for Google services to function properly. Verify that your Sharp TV is connected to the internet. Go to the TV settings menu and navigate to Network. Select Network Status to see if your TV is connected. If there's an issue, try reconnecting or reset your router. Make sure the Wi-Fi signal is strong and not obstructed by walls or other devices. If possible, use an Ethernet cable for a more reliable connection. Step 3. Clear cache and data. Sometimes clearing the cache and data of the Google app on your Sharp TV can fix performance issues. Go to the settings menu, select Apps, and find the Google app. Within the app settings, choose Clear Cache and Clear Data. This procedure will remove temporary files that could be interfering with the app's performance. Be aware that this might reset your Google app settings, so you may need to sign back into your Google account afterward. Step 4. Update your TV's firmware. Firmware updates can resolve bugs and improve functionality, including Google services. To check for updates, head to the settings menu, select About or Support, and choose System Update. If an update is available, follow the on-screen instructions to download and install it. Make sure your TV is connected to the internet during the update process. After the update completes, restart your TV and test Google services. Step 5. Reinstall the Google app. If Google is still not functioning properly, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. Return to the settings menu, select Apps, then choose the Google app. From here, opt to uninstall the app. Once the app is removed, visit your TV's App Store to download and reinstall the Google app. This process eliminates possible software conflict and installs the latest version of the app. And there you have it. 5 simple steps to address any Google-related issues on your Sharp TV. From restarting your TV and ensuring a stable internet connection, to clearing cache, updating firmware, and reinstalling the app, you now have a comprehensive toolkit to troubleshoot and restore your TV to its best functioning state. Remember, technology can be fickle sometimes, so know that a bit of patience and these quick fixes often go a long way. Whether you're streaming your favorite series or exploring new apps, fixing Google on your Sharp TV can open up a world of entertainment. Enjoy your seamless viewing experience.